Hey, Jenny Lakeman here. So in this video, I wanted to walk you through a service that I have started using for my own terms pages on my website. So by terms pages, I mean my privacy policy, terms of use, and disclaimer. And of those three terms pages, the only one that you're legally required to have in the United States if you are collecting emails as of today is if you're collecting emails to build your email list, you need to have a privacy policy. I will say I'm not a lawyer, so nothing in this video is legal advice, but I just wanted to offer you this service if you're in the category where you're not comfortable with the idea of a free privacy policy generated on some random site on the internet, which I don't see anything wrong with that, by the way, with using that kind of service, like a free generator. I did that in the beginning, but then when my business kind of got rolling a little more, I decided I wanted to upgrade to something that was had a little more legal oversight, which is this Termageddon service. Now, how Termageddon works is you buy one license for one website. It's $10 a month, and you get a privacy policy, a terms of use or terms and conditions, terms of service, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing, and a disclaimer. And you also have access to an end user license agreement, but that is more for like a web app or a software, which, your website for your coaching business doesn't fall into that category. But you'll get access to all of these policies, and it's super easy. All you do is buy your license, which includes all three of those policies, and then they ask you some questions, which I'll show you some examples of that in a minute, about your business, about your website, kind of how you're operating, and then they generate an embed code, which is just a little snippet of code you copy and then paste on the appropriate page on your website. Super easy. And the really nice thing about this is that they automatically keep this updated for you. So if laws change, their legal team reviews everything and automatically updates your terms of use, your privacy policy, your disclaimer for you. And if something changes in your business, like say you move states and you need to go and update your privacy policy and all of that, you can just log into your dashboard on Termageddon and answer, tweak a couple of answers, update your address, and then they will automatically update the terms of use, privacy policy, disclaimer on your website just through the embed code. So it's really convenient. I've kind of enjoyed using it. It's just peace of mind, really. This is what you're paying for. $10 a month is like insurance. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of what the back end looks like. So when you purchase your license and you create your account, this is what it'll look like. And I just have the one license. So click on my name. And then here you see I've already created my three policies. But say I want to edit my policy details. This will show you what some of the questions look like. They're pretty easy to answer. Do you do business in California? No. Do you collect personal information of California users? I think this question was optional, and so I didn't answer it. Am I required to comply by this contract? No. It's just some optional questions as well as some required questions. And then you click next, and there are a few more that it asks you, and then it generates the policy and creates an embed code, which looks like this. All you do is just hit copy, and then you can go and paste it on your website. And you'll see here I've got my terms of use page that I just pasted the code on, and then it generated all of this text. And I was really impressed because I didn't think that it would be branded. I guess I have my default fonts and default colors and stuff set up in my website. And the piece of code that I pasted in here actually adopted those default fonts and stuff, which made my designer heart really happy. So that's really convenient. And then you'll see here, I wanted to show you, it says last updated July 8th of 2020. Now I definitely pasted this terms of service on here 4 or 5 months ago. So in March or April, and it's kept it updated for me. And it's actually updated the date and everything from this month. So that's really convenient. I really like having this. If you don't have a lawyer on hand to or want to pay a lawyer, or if you can't pay a lawyer to review, your privacy policy in terms of service and disclaimer for you, but you're not comfortable with a free website, terms generator. If that makes you uncomfortable, then I think something like Termageddon is a really great option. I do have an affiliate link with them that I'll paste below. So if you think this is useful, then go ahead and use that link and I will be compensated a little bit. It's basically like my hot chocolate money. Anyway, I hope this video was useful. And if it was, hit the subscribe button so you can get future tips and tricks to help uplevel your coaching business.